Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, I have already done my base. I have applied my foundation. I'm gonna apply this Maybelline concealer on my eyelids and will blend it thoroughly with a sponge. So I'm gonna use this beige color and with a fluffy brush, I'm gonna apply it all over my eyes. Now I'm gonna use this Select Me Absolute palette and will apply this beautiful peach color. Now I'm going to use this beautiful orange color and apply it only on my lid. So actually doing eye makeup on hooded eyes is kind of a challenge. Now I think I'll have to use my finger because the color is not coming through. Now I'm going to take this fluffy brush and blend it really nicely. Now I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner for Maybelline and we'll try to create this wing. It takes a lot of time to make it perfect, but I think this time I've made it. So that's a relief. Now I'm going to use this small pointed brush and we'll use the same orange color and put it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my my eyelash curler and gonna curl it thoroughly because I don't have a lot of eyelashes and I don't like using falsies, which is why it's very important to use your color properly. Now I'm going to use this Maybelline mascara. For my lower eyelashes, I'm going to use this Kiko Milano mascara. Now I'm going to use this Kiko Milano eyeshadow and I'm going to use the same brush and apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. Almost done with the eye makeup. Now I'm gonna brush my eyebrows and we'll use my favorite Kiko Milano eyebrow enhancer. So I don't like a crazy eyebrow, so I always try to make it natural. use my eyebrow mascara. One of my favorites. So I'm gonna use my concealer again now under my eyes and my forehead. I don't like applying a lot of concealer, and I like to keep it as natural as possible. Now I'm going to use this concealer blending brush. So sorry that I have covered my face with my mirror. Now I'm going to use this bronzer and will try to contour my face. The kind of face that you have to make for a bronzer. Oof. Now I feel that I need to use a contour as well. So I'm going to use my sponge and use some of the contour on my forehead and some on my cheeks. Now I'm going to contour my nose with this small little brush using the same bronzer. Now I'm using this Sephora highlighter stick. Such a beautiful, beautiful formula, you know, just put it and see the difference. Wow. So I'm gonna blend it nicely and apply it on all the high points of my face. Now since I'm doing this orange look, so I'm gonna use the same eyeshadow on my cheeks as a blush, and that was too much of blush, so I'm gonna just blend it with my contour brush and make it look natural. I'm using this NYX lipstick today. So this is a beautiful orange matte lipstick. Now I guess I'm all done. Just a few bit of adjustments here and there. So that's it. I hope you guys liked my video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.